Hello everyone, welcome to the English class at Hardworking Minds. In our today's class we will be discussing simple future tense. When do we use future tense? When do we use this tense, beta? We use this tense to talk about future events. But if you remember, I had told you this while we were studying present continuous tense that we can use ing to express the future event. When we have any intention to do something in the future, or there's some planned event that is to be done in the future, we can even use present continuous tense. For example, I am going to Bombay this weekend. Can be Mumbai even, but it is just an example. So here, I am going to Bombay or Mumbai this weekend. I am going. Look at the sentence structure. Here from the sentence structure, I hope you can understand that it is a present continuous tense. So that doesn't mean that if there's an action that is not going to happen now, but it will happen at some time in future, तो सिर्फ simple future ना भी उसको express कर सकते हैं. तो मतलब ऐसा नहीं है ना कि सिर्फ simple future ना भी अपन उसने express करेंगे, अपन किसी और तरीके नाल भी कर सकते हैं. Look at these examples. Before we go ahead to see the formation, देख लो sentence formation. That in this we first write the subject and then we'll add will or shall, and then there will be, see, look at the formation of a sentence in simple future tense. We'll first have a subject and then will or shall plus verb first form and object. Now when to use will or shall? As per the traditional approach with the first person, that is, if I am speaking, I am the first person. I'm talking to you, you are second person. This we have already discussed in other videos. Here it is that with first person, I, or if we all are speaking, then we will use shall, and with others, other pronouns, we will be using will. Okay. But it was as per the traditional approach. But now, as per the modern approach, we can use will with I or I and we also. Okay. Look at it now. The lockdown will get over on 16th July. There is a curfew in the state because of coronavirus. It's just a sentence which I have framed. You may frame any sentence that you feel like framing. Another it is the I shall play football. They will come to my home this weekend. This sentence, like, see, now we look at the other sentence. They will come to my home this weekend. और मेरे घर आएंगे इस वीकेंड पे, मेरे घर आएंगे. अब इसमें अगर देखिए तो दूसरी तरह भी लिख सकते हैं. They are coming to my home this weekend. अब ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ continuous tense ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ continuous tense ਕਦੋਂ use ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ future ਦੀ planning ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ continuous tense use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਵੀ ਗਲਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ. Okay. Negative sentences देखिए, we only have to add not. अगर short form लिखना होगा shan't भी लिख सकते हैं, SHANT, and कम पाके T. Shan't भी लिख, shall not the short form. I shall not play football. They will not come to my home this weekend. दूसरी तरह भी कर सकते हैं, they are not coming to my home this weekend. दूसरी तरह भी लिख सकते हैं, वो गलत नहीं है. Okay, are the things clear now? Okay, now we'll be discussing the interrogative sentences. In case of interrogative sentences, what what will be the structure? Structure की होएगा? Will या shall में आगे लिख देना plus subject and plus verb first form. Like example, will they come to your home this weekend? कि ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਆਣਗੇ ਇਸ weekend? Next, will you play hockey? कि ਤੁਸੀਂ hockey खेलोगे बेटा? I have told you as per the modern approach ਆਪਾਂ will ਲਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. Next, will I join the party? Anything. In case of negative interrogative sentences, we have to add not, and you know it. In case it is a negative, not will come in front with will. वो बनेगा will not नहीं आएगा, वो बन जाएगा won't. अगर शॉर्टकट करना होएगा ना, शॉर्टकट करके लिखना होएगा तो बनेगा won't. अगर shall आएगा तो not है ना जड़ा वो फिर सब्जेक्ट दे अगे आ जाता है. अगर शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखना होए shan't, will दा बनेगा won't. Like will you not play hockey? ये तो फुल है ना. अगर हाफ लिखांगे won't you play hockey? Will they not join our party? Won't they join our party? And then simple future tense done. And in case you have any problem, don't feel ashamed to ask, and you can write your queries in the comment box. Okay, have a nice day, and we'll meet in the next videos.